Hi, I'm Fionn from the PSP and Deck Expo team. In this short video, I will be showing you how to make valuable connections using the PSP and Deck Expo Plus. To discover new business connections, head to Find Meetings to select who you are looking for. You can refine your search by answering the follow-up questions at the top of the page. If you would like to know more about a specific contact, click on their profile card. To add a contact to your favourites, click on the star icon. You can access a list of your favourited contacts by heading to My Favourites in the drop-down menu to the right of the page. When you are ready to connect, simply click the Send Invite button. Here, you can write a concise message explaining who you are and why you would like to meet. You can keep track of your incoming and outgoing meetings in your inbox. This is broken down by received invites for you to action, sent invites, confirmed meetings, and messages. To respond to a meeting invite, simply click Accept Meeting. Here, you can select the location, date, and time of your meeting. By clicking More Options, you can forward your meeting to a more appropriate colleague, decline, view their profile, and ask a question for more info. You can then contact your meeting partner to gather more information before you meet. Your actioned meetings will be available to view and broken down by action required, forwarded, declined, and withdrawn. If you ever need to reschedule, don't worry, this can all be done within the platform. Simply head to your confirmed meetings, more options, reschedule meeting, and update to suit your needs. The Exhibitor Directory allows you to search all registered exhibitors participating at the event, view our full listing, or filter by your business preferences. Each listing includes full company information, access company highlights and information, their product listings, and view all contacts registered to attend. If you would like to show your interest, you can request a meeting directly from this page or favourite them to come back to later. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or have any questions, please do get in touch with the team.